If your Steam achievements are not showing in your library, don't worry. This is usually a simple Steam client issue and not a problem with your games or your account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 quick fixes that can refresh your library, remove buggy beta features, and clear out stuck browser data so your achievements can show up properly again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we'll start with the easiest fix, and that is clearing the Steam download cache. This refreshes your library's metadata, and in many cases it is enough to bring back missing achievement information. To do this, open Steam, then click Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Inside Settings, select Downloads. Scroll all the way down until you find the Clear Download Cache button. Click it, and Steam will ask you to confirm. Once you clear the cache, Steam will usually log you out automatically. That is completely normal. Just sign back into Steam with your account and let the client reload everything. After logging back in, check your library again and see whether the achievements are showing properly. If they still aren't visible, the next step is to opt out of the Steam beta. Beta versions of Steam often include pre-release changes, and sometimes those changes can create interface bugs or visual glitches that affect how achievements and library elements are displayed. To do this, click Steam again in the top left corner, go back into Settings, and then select Interface. Look for the option labeled Client Beta Participation. If it is set to a beta option, change it to No Beta Chosen. Once you switch it back, Steam will need to restart to apply the change. Close Steam fully, reopen it, and allow it to load in the stable version. After the restart, return to your library and check whether the achievement display has returned. If the issue is still happening, the third fix is to delete the Steam web browser data. Some parts of the Steam library are rendered through an internal browser, and if that data becomes corrupted or stuck, it can cause things like missing achievements, broken pages, or incomplete library visuals. To clear this out, go back to Steam settings, then choose In-Game. On that page, look for the button that says Delete Web Browser Data. Click it and confirm the action. This will clear the internal browser cache and stored data inside Steam, which can help reset those stuck interface elements. After that, restart Steam one more time so the changes fully take effect. Now check your library again. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve the problem and bring your achievements back exactly where they should be. I recommend trying them in order because the download cache reset is quick, the beta opt-out can fix hidden interface bugs, and the browser data clear can resolve deeper UI issues. If the achievements still don't appear after all 3 steps, the next thing to check is whether Steam itself needs an update or whether there is a temporary issue on Steam's side. That's it. You've now learned how to fix Steam achievements not showing in your library using a few safe and simple troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.